alien ba dyan? Maganda din yung uniform nila, no?
Ganda nga eh.
Bagay sa ulo na dito.
Yung sa amin nag ano, off yung...
Someone took my water! Someone took it.
Meron ako sa kotse. Hoy, nanasaan din yun! Hoy, nanasaan ko!
Makoping.
Other way.
Cheating, technical. Kaya lang! Kaya! Baba! Wala. Guys, box out! Who's foul, ref? Who's foul? 14?
Elvis, running time to?
Hindi daw, hindi.
Hindi ano, pag yung stop, basta pag nag-whistle stop ball.
Oh! Julius, gitna! Kuya Walbert, kabila! Okay, baba! Okay. Okay lang.
Nasa si Sydney.
Uy na nagsasabi si tantrum yata si Baby.
Oo.
Yes, Lan. Okay lang, Lan. Good shooting. After na ito. Hintayin mo lang makasal. Dalawa na. Ikaw mas magaling. Box out! Dalawa! Nice! Rapid rep! Hoy, likod! Backdoor!
Isa sa Sylvia. Nagpunta ka sa Sylvia. Try lang na.
Apa? Tira.
Hindi ako. Okay lang. Wait, kay Kuya Arch ba? Yeah. Kuya Arch? No, akin yan.
Ano ba siya?
That's mine. That's yours. The other one's yours. Oh, I didn't realize you got me one. Here. Iniwan ko na yung nuggets kay Frankie kumakain. Siya, tubig ka dyan. Oh, I wanted nuggets. No, I put nuggets in that one. Here. I put 3 nuggets there. I left him 3. I left you 3. May tubig ka? Ito. Dalawang tubig dito. Can I have one? Yeah. Can I have a drink of your Coke? Yes. Hindi na. Okay, sit there. No, hindi ba yung sa ano? No. Yung lasa? Oh my God. Oh, so good. The soda. Yeah, I don't want it there if you want it. Oh, so may sauce ka na dyan? Thank you. I'll have my ano. I'll have ketchup. Kape pala nila ko siya, ano? Sa? Ano?
Look. Oy, Julius! Kinasa ka ball to Lance or oy, rimless! Di mo pwede mag-verso. Bakit ko span ka rin? Campbell. Hey, a free! No good. Rebound by Julius na madali. Pass to Troy. No good. Number 4 drive. Intercepted by a ball. Pass to Lance. Lefty. 3 points by Lance. 9-8. JB. Pass to Campbell. Campbell and a 3. Yeah. 3 points. Mr. Campbell this time. What a lucky shot. A ball. Ooh, watch that. Ankle. Saavedra. Intercepted by Dodom. Pass to JB. JB. Layup. No good. Jimenez speed moves. And missed it. Rebound by Defensive. Pass to JB. Pass to Dodom. Dodom takon. Pass to JB. 2 points by JB the second. Saavedra sure good go. Time remaining, 3 minutes left in the first quarter. Saavedra is looking. Crossover. Teardrop. No good. Offensive rebound. Oi, nice pick. 3 seconds violation.
Stop.
Substitution rep. Go, pasok. And sa number Soriano in. Uy, ito na, superstar dito si Rizzo. Pumasok na. Woo! Ayan, tinis na. dribbling the ball. Campbell hit another 3 points. 3 points by Campbell. Yes, that goal. Saavedra. Uy, nice pass. Julius, 2 points. What a move. Couldn't make it. Oh, he's open again. No way. 3 points. Somebody has to guard that guy. He's got 3 points in a row. And 1 by Julius. Substitution ref. Wait for the ref, please. On 4, 2, 1. Sub, please. And yeah. And sub, go in. And a free throw opportunity by Reducto.
You drop from that one, just drink the other.
Reducto. Uy, naawa. Naawa yun ah. Yeah. Don't worry about me. You worry about you. Ooh, Tristan Ragradio. Pinasa. Oh, what a pass. Nice 3 points by number 4. What a move. What a move. Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds left. Wait, Reducto in the traffic. Away, so John Bow and Pickford ball. All right. This game is brought to you by 25 years. Walang tigil. Is it? I don't know. Okay. No, it was the... No, nothing this time. Rebound by ball. Pass to the break. Pass to Sergio Renato. 3 points. He's surrounded. San Pedro. Oh, nice pass to a ball. 2 points. By a ball. 54 seconds left.
No, I don't need
No, joke lang. Oy! Ragradio, the fake! Tumira, pumasa! Pasok Campbell, shoot, fade away! Hinubasa ng rin ni Mr. Campbell.
Come on, Edwin! Laban!
Mr. Campbell feels like 21 years old, you know? Woo! No good. 20 seconds left. Ragradio is in control. Woo! Also 24. 24 is looking for a number 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, oh no! 2 seconds left. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds.
Nag-invento ka to, ha?
2, 1. And first quarter is over. Next game, 21-15 in favor of Pickford. Mr. Campbell, how old are you? You look 21. Let's go. Okay, you can bend over a little bit, huh? Let's go, huh? Spelling this a little bit.
Nong, did you win?
No.
What's
Of
the
course
point?
we win.
Papainom ka daw? Papainom ka daw? How are you?
Shout out to our official referee, Mr. Alex. Woo! And TikTok. Yeah, that's TikTok. In the middle rep. And we're back to the ball game. Wala na yung mga fans namin, buhay na. Oh, baliktad mo na yung ano. Dito na yung kasi sa kanila. Alright. Wait, 2 seconds. Okay. Heatwave. Wait.
Madaming tao ka.
Ooh, unlucky. Ooh, what a cross. Never mind. Intercepted by Abort. Julius nagmamadali. Pinasa kay San Pedro. San Pedro, wala. Number 10, lefty, and make the whistle. All the way.
Balita mo yung
Boss.
Caitlin sa
Sige, sige. Boss.
Alright, substitution ref. Thank you, ref. Foul number 8. Sino ba yung number 8? No basket. Foul number 8, tinulak daw. Tinulak mo daw, Lance. Tinulak mo daw. And basket counts this time. Abor is dribbling the ball. He's pointing to the left, to the right, and to the left. Soles! Uy! What a pass! Yun lang. Oh! Same ball possession. So, kanino mo laban dito? No basket. It should be this. Ooh! 2 points by Alta. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Uy, hindi naman kayo ko si Turon. Hindi naman kayo ko si Turon, no? Pickford. Bragrado. Pass to number 10. Fake. Drive. Late. Pass to Turon. 2 points. Nakachamba. Grabe yung chamba na yun. Lance. Picks up the 2 points by Lance. Time remaining 8 minutes and 20 seconds.
Ron, pagod na?
Mapasap na si Turon, no? Pagod na. Oh, pinasa. Pinasa ang bola. Ay, nandun lang pala. Uy! Fade away. What a move by number 10. That was a nasty move. Wasn't it? Yes, sir. 3. No good. Soles again. 3 points by Soles. Okay, next team sub, guys. Next sub. Ragradio is dribbling the ball. Uy, what a pass! Woo! Oh, unlucky. Abor, nagmamadali. Got blocked. He's got the rebound. What a defense by Ragradio. Uy, pinali. Yun lang, sinayang. Sinayang mo po. Sinayang yung highlight po. 3, unlucky. Alta, drive, 2 points. Subs, please. Oh, timeout, let's have it. Heatwave, score 30-19. Lamang ang nauna. Shoutout sa cameraman natin. Follow the page, subscribe, and tune in for the highlights. Woo! All the way from Inverness? Yes, sir. Yeah, that camera costs $5 grand, I think. Maybe. Ouch. Shout out kay Alae, mag-practice ka mag-layup. Okay? Mag-practice ka mag-layup, Alae. Shout out kay Alae, mag-practice ka mag-layup. You missed 5 layups. Nobody guarded. And we're back to the ball game. Soles. Pass to Saavedra. Saavedra. Pass to Julius. Uy! Julius. Pass to... Uy! What a fake. Soles. Oh, nice ball movement right here. Ooh, up and under. Same ball possession. Same ball possession. Fade away. No good. Rebound by Takon. Pass to Alta. Chip. No good. Obo. Obo. Uy. And we got backward. We got a substitution ref. GBE out. Ragragyo in. Time remaining 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Hindi sinadya, konti lang. Ragragyo, paso na bitay, tumira ng 3. Wala, sablay. Ringless. Sa Petra nagmamadali. Intercepted. Alta. We got a whistle, double dribble. Too late. Oh, it's too late to apologize. Alright.
Nakikiya ka doon.
Redacto, hey, fake news! Ano ba yan? Tingnan mo naman! Rebound by Jimenez. Jimenez. Wait! Oh! Wow! T-ball by Robia. Nakachamba. Uy! Si Turon! Uy! Tumagilin! Yun lang! Sayang yun ah! Substitution ref! Uy! Bumalik na si Mr. Campbell. Bantayan niya sa 3. Katira na naman yan. Alright! Sa mamaya. Mamaya! Ha? Oh. Okay, you get away with that. Unlucky. Lods, pagutan na, Lods. Okay lang yan. Push lang. 30 to Boy Soles for 3. Just a little bit short. Rebound by Takon. Pinasa kay Kuya Villanueva. Number 24. Yeah, next time. Oh no! Oh, he missed now. Saavedra is in a hurry. Oh, foul number 12. The substitution foul, 2 free throws. Substitution ref. 2 free throw attempts. This game is brought to you by Bear Brand. Number 1 milk sa Pinas. No basket. Isa pa daw. Unlucky.
Nice!
Uy! Spin sa akin! Bigla nakalimutan.
Kuha!
Nice pass.
Ibigsa!
Oh. Ito na pinagod pa. Jack! Huwag mong ano yan, Jack? Mabaho ka man, naligo ka ba? Subia. Bye-bye. Saavedra. To Jimenez. Fake, right to right. Right back. Oh, he's wanted this. No good. Mr. Campbell was dribbling the ball. Nice pass to Taco, 3 points! Taco, nakachamba! Grabe nachamba yun. Julius drive. Rebound. And draw! Wait lang. On the 24, can we get a sub, please? Basket is good. Sub. Basket is good. 1 free throw attempt. Foul number 24. And wait, Sumala. Rebound by Jimenez. Pink world goal. Time remaining 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Hoy, walang nagbabantay! Oy! Unlucky shot. Unfortunate. Julius Pasto Soriano for the... Di ba sa Petra? Sa Petra. And we got whistle. This for left. Number 4. Foul number 4. Subs.
Pasok na!
Guys, if you want to take a sub, please come to the middle first, okay? You need to come to the middle or I won't let you sub in. Alright? Simple as that. Baron. Pastor Soriano. Jimenez. No basket. Ibo by Harvey. We get out, man. Score 32-23 in favor of Pink World. Soriano. Ooh, in and out. Same ball. Soriano. Pinasa. Subs, please. Pinasa sa kakampi. Alright. Ragyo is dribbling the ball. Pass to Harvey. Campbell for 3. Yes, 3 points by Harvey. Soriano. Pass to Julius. Uy, nag-fake. Teardrop, 3 points. By Julius Randle. Ragyo, uy, big. Push up 11. 2. Unlucky. No go, rebound by Julius. Pass to Soriano. Pinasa sa labas. Subs, please. Subs in. Alright. Naliligo pa ako. Bilisan nyo, guys. Nangangamoy na ako dito. Villanueva. Pass to Campbell. Campbell is open. No good. And to 75. Ragyo. Uy. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. After your minutes. Out of bounds.
No. Kaya.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds left. Villanueva. Pastor Ragyo. Pastor Harvey. Fade away. 2, no good. Elvis went to the right, pass to Lance. Couldn't make that 3-point shot. That could have been a Ragradio fake. Ooh! 2 points by Ragradio. Time remaining, 1 minute and 33 seconds left. Ito Sherwin, bawal pumagyosi dito. Abor, Pasto, Pedro, Julius, and with no whistle. Foul number 6. Number 6 is foul 2 free throw. Bawal magyosi dito, Tito Sherwin. Okay? Basket is good.
See how many steps are done.
One more free throw.
Like, were you meant to finish it too, or no?
Basket is good.
That's just why I thought I would finish.
37-27. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds left.
Half a day.
Turon, uy, tinulak.
Trabilik!
Jumbo, Symbol. Symbol, balik ka rin mo na yan. Ragragio, Pasto. 2 points by Ron. Okay, at sundot. Abor, pick and roll. No good. Iba by Jimenez. Pass to Lance. To Julius. The fake and spin. Fake. Oh, what a pass! And we've got a foul. Foul number 6. Pushing foul. 2 free throw.
Dance!
Jimenez. No good. 34 seconds left. No good. Too early, guys. We got one more try. Too early.
Take time! Oh, hinga!
And another attempt. Basket is good. 30 seconds left. 25 seconds left. Turon for 2. 2 points by Turon. 18 seconds left. 15 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the second quarter.
Dai, you do this in the shower.
Ito, glasses on.
Okay.
Saan tayo? Ako dito.
Sige, ako na.
Just give me the shower here.
Score 41-28.
Umuwi sa Sydney. Umuwi sa Sydney.
Bakit siya mo?
Teka na yung baby. Kanina pa siya dito eh.
Halftime. Pick World 41, Hidway to winning.
Det must be storm as the problem. I'll move to Broncos. That's what I said. And then you're like, maybe it's just
I was supposed to be in Dead 4. Because they were in Dead 4.
What?
Broncos was in Dead 4. So I was like, I'll join Broncos, they're closer. They're like, oh, wow, we're Dead 4. And then they moved up.
You put 5 minutes on that? I don't care. I get home quicker.
Bring it down. Good?
Alex?
2 minutes, 2 minutes.
What'd you do, man?
That's 3 minutes, that's 3 seconds. Abot mo sa kanya,
Yeah, see, that's what I call it.
Yeah, that's it. Fractured tibia, that's what I was. That's why I keep telling them stop touching it for this rope. They keep going, I'm like, that's not gonna do it.
Are you not are you not the qualified person? Are you not the qualified one if it changes?
So it broke now, so it's just, that's gonna be item. So like we fix broken bones.
Fair enough.
So how's the service gonna be the base one? That's good, that's good. That's good.
That game?
Back to the ball game.
So whose ball is it? He's done last year. So where was his face? Ball here. Can you get?
I'll leave it there, mate. You do it.
Sel, orto ka, di ba? Sel, orthopedic ka?
Oh my god, can I see again? Apparently it's mental That's why I said Janina, stop touching it because it looks broken. Why? They keep doing it. I'm like, that's not gonna do it.
Ang sakit nun.
So, mag-send surgery na ba? Today surgery?
so many points.
This is good.
Tristan, defensive player of Pick World, number 15, special player shoutout.
Ganyan pala. Ganun pala. Madali, yung iba naman, yung iba naman. Backsan go! Yung iba, yung iba! Yung iba!
Number 3. Sorry. Bye-bye!
Sino?
Huh?
Yung moment. Tatanong siya.
Number 3. Alta, number 2. Box by Subia, number 7, Galing dribble. Special shout out sa organizer, Team Captain. Double dribble.
Why are you listening to the...
Taon, no good. Rebound ni Dako. Abor. Pushing the ball. 3 points.
Ay, yung malas na yung
Sayang. Alta, dahil pa ng Aberdeen. Spin move. Spin move. Oh. They're Aberdeen.
Running on the bench, coach. Okay.
Warning.
The bench next to
Heat wave. Warning kayo sa coach.
Bakit?
Too loud. Warning for technical yung bench and coach ng heat wave. Baron for 2. No good. Alta. At break ay ba Aberdeen? Namutan. Pass to Alta. Pass to Dakon. Uy, sayang. Uy, sayang. Abor. Subia, pushing the ball. Tito tayo. No good. Alta ulit. Number 10. Grabe yun. Uy.
Time out, kamu!
Time out. Heat wave.
Wala gumagamit ng mic. Lahat takot. Ron! Ang mo doon, di mo makuha yung bola? Yossi pa more!
Maybe it just passes 4% pass.
This is all correct. This is all correct.
Technical na ako.
Yung coach naman daw eh.
Back to the ball game. Ref. Back to the ball game. Ref, don't miss the tape official, bro. We're on the same team.
Kilala niyo siya? Oh, kaya pala eh. Kaya pala.
Abort! Oh! Hindi nakatingin! Harvey. Trying to calm the storm.
Nainitan ako lang.
Pink world! Pinapaikutan! Pinapaikutan mundo! Number 4, De Guzman.
Ang lamig kaya kanina umaga. It was like 1.
Kasi my car was frozen when I went to go my mama.
Jimenez. On the drive. Nasa kay Abor. Yes! 4-2. Score! 44-40. Tama nga Pink world. 1-4. Run! Oh my God! Hindi na shoot. Foul! Number 7.
Apat na lang. All of fuck off.
Ano? Ganyan, ganyan.
What about we shoot?
Ate, gusto mo? Hindi mo pag-ulan.
Just call out their number and their name.
Jumpa!
Wait lang!
Oy, not counted ah. Not counted ah.
Not counted. Counted?
Wait lang! Mahirap yan eh. Mahirap yan eh.
Dali! Woo! Come on!
At least 1 minute. At least 1 minute.
4 minutes. 20 seconds.
Lapit lang, lapit!
One.
Last 4 minutes!
El best! Ano mabilis?
Time! Pass to De Guzman. To Harvey. Number 17. Again, back to Harvey. And drive. Wala. Rebound by Redacto.
Go all the way!
Pass mo na eh. Boom!
Batay!
Ay, sabang ko next possession.
Wait lang.
Batay!
Redacto. Abort. Pushing the ball. To Redacto. Kaya. Boom!
Kaya to!
Tristan. Bringing the ball down. Sizing his opponent. De Guzman. Ang drive. Pinasa kay Turon. Naglalap.
Si Turon!
Jumpa yun!
Grabe si Turon!
Pinadali po sila ni Turon sa loob. Inspired kasi si Turon. Nasa na ba si Turon? Inspired kasi si Turon. Patay tayo dyan. Inspired si Turon eh. Third. This is third. I told you
Alex, do you still play basketball?
I'm not that fast.
Where is the third?
That's all.
Yes. Yes, boss.
I heard it like
Flowers.
next time someone said it should be 2 different colors.
changes after the ball.
Hey! Ivan! Box out, ha?
Ano, 6 weeks yan nakakas.
Ito na yung time, ha?
Then after, that's the hard bit. That's after.
Bingo! Banggan!
Pedro for 3, no good. Akon. Number 12, hindi na shoot. Revive. Roy, Saavedra, nag-pick. Who's ball runs? It's pink world ball.
Guys, huwag kayong magmadali.
Score 50-49, lamang ang pink world. Huwag niyo pong isa-search ang pink world. Tristan, grabbing the ball. In the middle, number 4, De Guzman. Nice steal, Lisa Amenda. Foul, number 12. Sabev.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Antok na ako eh. Ito si RJ.
Pink world with 3 team fouls. Heat wave with 2 team fouls. Redacto, no good. Sabrath, when you can.
Come on!
Redacto. Second ball, good.
Yeah!
Score is all 50. Close game. What's the foul? Ron, foul.
Yes, Ron, tama.
Fouls. Warning for team fouls na yung Pink World.
Come on, guys!
It's offensive foul number
Acting.
17.
Acting.
Good. JV, bringing the ball up. JV. Ilan yung ball moves mo? Rebounds go.
Kuya!
Rebound by Altang. Oh! JV! JV! Sayang yung pass ako sa good pass. Saavedra, pushing the ball. Score is 50-50. Soriano, 2-2. Juridacto. Pokpok, traveling. Traveling. 45 seconds left in this third quarter. Tambo.
Yes!
Good
Yes!
defense.
Bantay!
Ron, oh! Ron, tama ka na! 37. 37, foul.
It's four each. Both warning for team fouls. Ron. Ron foul. Team fouls. 28 foul. 2 shots. Two shots. Rules.
Bobo naman si Calvo.
First shot. Good. First shot is good.
Ron, mag-shoot ka.
Second shot. Second shot is also good. 26 seconds left. Out of bounds. Lamang ang pink court ng dalawa. JV. Pass it to Campbell. Mark for 3. No good. Daliban. 37. Oh my God, ang ganda nun. Three, two, one.
Guys, 0-0.
Score is 52.
Yeah!
Close game.
Kailangan ko rin yung cards, man. Make it hard.
Ball. He's got work, that's why. He's got work, I got 5.
Let's go. Hey, keep playing 3. 1, 2, 3. Hit wave.
Heatwave. Pink world. It's pink world ball. Okay. Run to Alta. To Mark. Fake. Oh, okay, bola. Foul. Basket counts. Foul number 3. 1 shot. Harvey is no good. Rebound ni Ridacto. Julius. Subia. Uy! Colorado win. Jay. Wala ni Jay. Harvey, pull out 3, pull out 2. No good. Kariba ni Ron! Wala. Kariba ni Harvey. Wala pa din. Kariba ni Ron! Oh!
Pwede kasama sa inuman!
Ridacto, no good. Oh, what call is a foul? Foul on who? Foul on the ref. 70. Matanda. 70.
Apat.
70. 70. Julius, first throw is good.
Nag-win? Yes.
Second throw. Also
Yes!
good. Lamang lang ng dalawang 56-54. Julius, Diba ni Jay? Burton, nasa kanon! Who's the foul? Foul, who's foul? Foul on Huref. Foul on Huref. Who's foul? 7. Cheers, Gary. I'm deaf. Cruz.
Ganda.
No good. Rebound ni Dacto.
Para mas mataas to.
Dacto, foul. 77. Ilan na si 77?
Ilan ang foul niyan?
77. 7 fouls ka na. 7 fouls. 7.
Dalawa pa lang pala.
Dalawa lang. Good.
Yeah! Ano? Hello? Hindi ka naman multi-kiss.
Second row. No good.
Ah! Yan! That's what you get!
Third row is good.
Yes!
Lamang lang dalawa. Les. Yung fries ko, please. Les. Les. 5 up na po si Cruz. Harvey. JV, Di Guzman, moving the ball. Pass to number 10. Pass to Alta. For 3. No good. The rebound ni Dacto. Pushing the ball. Saavedra. Drive. Rebound by Abor. 2 points. Yeah! It's a tie game again. Tie game. Pakulba, number 10. Driving. Nawala yung ball. Guzman. Driving the ball. Lost it. Tiger, what a good pass. Number 3, foul. Pushing. Number 3,
Stop.
Number 3, apat na po yung foul mo. Sub.
Pasukan din. Wala. Yes! Hindi. Yan dito shoot. One lang.
Stop.
May tissue kayo dyan?
Stop.
Dalawa pa lang.
It's not good to have that on an offense. Hindi.
Subia, 3 fouls.
Who's timeout?
This time out. This time out? Ano sila Don't get changed in there.
Dalawa lang, man, isang shoot.
Tatakas ka.
Okay, sa Tracy.
Hindi na.
Run! Punta kayo na! Run! Pagkat ni Harvey. Mabuti ba ba siya?
Harvey, 3 fouls.
Sure ball, kuya!
Ay, dapat tingin na to.
Stop, Red! Stop!
Hindi ako nurse, but that's pretty bad.
But that's the...
Yung buto ba, like, nasan yung ibang buto? Is it just like, is it a clean break?
No.
But I think yung sa isa.
That would be in a different angle.
Russell sa ba?
Oh my God, so yun yung buto ko nila talaga. Well, it's not a full break. It's like,
Subs.
well, I'm no expert.
Score.
but it looks like the cup.
64-64.
Looks like picture that way.
Heat wave. Warning na kayo.
Hindi ba yun sa
Heat wave, team fouls.
Or sa side ka?
Warning.
Sino kami?
Sakit niyan, man.
He did not show it.
What?
He did not show it.
No, it was like,
Likod, Elvis! Likod!
Oh my God. Kapag si Alta, man. Ganun lang! Wala! Wala yan! Akala ko time out. Kaway ko yung Queen girl. Sa! Guys! Nanonood na kayo! Woo! Well done! Ilang quiz team na ito?
tama ba kayo? Tama tayo?
All the games are freaking except for the break.
Dahil ko ba? Pumakin na mo.
Alta! Baby Giant!
Ah! Excuse me! Ah! Ah! Magsisplit si Kuya! Oh, Lord! Laban! Laban! Yes! Surpass lang guys! Surpass!
What's the score nila?
70-66.
Laban! Nice team!
Si Olivia!
Stop!
Busy kumakain eh.
Ano sabi sa akin?
Yan! Wala! Go, go, go! David! Lance! What the fuck?
Lance! Touch the ball, bro! Dami ko naman pasal dito.
Oh no! Just gonna...
Ay, sorry. Hindi nga roll.
Wala siyang team na tumutulong?
I was like, go after the next game. You were in danger. I was like, every game.
Ano nangyari kay Ron? Huwag mo sabihin, nabalian din. Kailangan mo tumalgam naman si Ron.
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Hindi mas yun, drama, ang tagal ng drama niya eh, bago maging...
Grabe no. Ate, gusto mo yung mic?
Marami naman drama niya eh.
Pwede pa ba?
Huwag kang ingiti, kumasakit!
Pwede pa? Kaya.
Ay, na-hurt ko.
Eh!
Teka lang, Gods.
Sabaut ka muna.
O talaga pag Samantha mo.
Sabaut ka muna! Pahinga lang sila. Yes! Shit, ano yun?
Lads, 2 points! 2 points!
Ron, umupo ka muna kung masakit!
Is it 7 or 77? 7.
Res Gonzalez! Yes!
What a pass!
Come on! Orange! Where are you? Where are you?
Kristen.
2 minutes! Last 2 minutes!
No!
I'm sorry kung di ka shooter. Don't even...
1 minute, 52 seconds.
Come on! Defense! Get the goal! Hurry! Wow! Yeah!
Bias naman yung mga
How many no timeouts? How many timeouts?
Dalawa kami. Nakaya pa lang kayo eh.
So you have 2 more.
Ano na yung gano'n? One. Ano na ako?
Yeah, so 31 and 2. They have 1 more.
Okay, okay.
Erika Ate Angelo.
Let's go. 1 minute, 20 seconds left. On pa din. Kristen, to Alta, Jay. Labas. Kung mag-overtime ba ka? Rebound! All the way from Aberdeen. Sabi na, turutak to. 12, foul. 12, 2. 12.
Depensa yan! Depensa! Depensa!
Number 12, third personal foul.
Come on, Julius! Come on, Julius! Please! Wala pa puting empty dyan.
That's me! I'm not part.
Keep playing, please. Sit down. Second throw. No good! Rebound! Sayang. Score is 73-70. 55 seconds left.
Hit! Hit! Hit!
Kristen.
Hit!
Kristen.
Hit!
Oh!
Kailangan yung 4 points. Ron, bilisan mo! Bilisan mo takbo! Wait! Wait!
Guys, natabi ka sa akin. Yung
Wait!
Oh, you can hear me lang. Hey, wait!
Last position 3, last position 3. Last position 3. 1, 2, 3, last one.
Okay. Bola ng Heatwave. Chasing a 3-point lead. Advancing daw sila. Okay. Saavedra. Inbounding the ball. Inbounding the ball to who? Jimenez. 38 seconds. 38 seconds. Jimenez. Jimenez. There's a timeout. Timeout call. Wala na po silang. Nasa last timeout.
Wala na silang timeout, di ba?
Ayun.
Guys, call back.
4 seconds.
29. What time is it?
Audrey.
Actual time. What time is it?
Okay. Foul game. 29 seconds left. Sabi ni Ref, Ref said to add 4 seconds. I don't know why. Sorry.
Audrey.
I don't know.
Big World, up by 1. Ron, kanina ibibigay ng kaitan. Foul! Anong foul? Isa foul! Big fouls! Who's foul?
Lance.
Hello?
Lance.
Okay, let's see what's the foul. It's a foul. Team fouls. Number who? Number 8. It's team fouls. Tristan, ang panalo. No pressure, Rods. First throw. No good! Kinakabahan ako. Tristan!
Let's go, Todd!
Sige sa oh my God! Oh my God! It's a timeout! Timeout! Wala na pong timeout. Both teams. Last na po yan. Wala na kayong timeout ito. Next game na ulit.
Oh my God.
Wala na yung 30 seconds. Ron, wala na rin kayo timeout ha. Wala na rin kayo timeout.
Parang nabalo yung head ko.
Video ka lang yung paglalaro.
Still. Kobe 6 killing works, bro.
I know.
Kobe 6 killing works. It's 30 to 60.
Okay, 27 seconds. Bola ng heat wave. Ay, tama ba ako? Bola ng heat wave.
Uy, guys!
Advancing, are you advancing?
Jimenez!
Jimenez!
Si Jimenez yung pag-inbound mo.
Jimenez, ikaw daw mag-inbound.
Ikaw mag-inbound.
Inbound.
Kasi si Tantan sulit sa depensa.
Okay.
Let's go!
Heat wave is chasing a 1-point lead. Oh my God.
Guys! Run! Kiss mo ulit! Pakita mo sinabi ko!
Inbound by Jimenez to Saavedra. Saavedra to Jimenez. Jimenez was over. Minus 24.
Wala na timeouts! Wala na
So they said
No, you're doing it right. You're doing it right.
That's a part of equalizer.
Chef! Last one!
No, that's 27, that's 9 seconds. 24 seconds, it must be. It's still far.
Thank you, Ref.
Ilang minute? Ilang oras na lang? 9 seconds lang. 10 seconds lang.
Ano pinaglalaban yun?
So the game clock was 1 second.
That's why I just No, but
No, it was 24. 24.
So it's borderline.
call is it's a shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. So we started 24.
It was 29 seconds. It's in 9 seconds. That's 20 seconds. That's not 24. Oh my God.
29 more nag-start tayo. What's the call, ref?
Foul, sino yung foul nyo? Let's go, wake up! Foul, foul, foul!
It's pink world ball. 9 seconds. Pink world ball.
Foul, foul, foul!
Jay.
14 fouls anyway. 37 foul. Holding. Holding. Foul. Unsportsman, sorry.
How? He was not alone. Oh man. What the fuck?
Uy!
Gary.
He was not alone. Electric come up fucking ass, man.
First shot's no good.
How's that?
Second shot. Second shot is good. Big Gold is now up by 2. 2.
There's no point!
Unsportsmanlike foul. So it's now still Big Gold ball. Ron, 7 seconds. Baitan. No one's fouling. Foul. 4 seconds. Foul 7. Pushing.
Who's foul, Ref?
No.
Right, rebound.
Takawin.
Cross, rebound. Rebound.
First row, no good.
Right, come on, let's go.
Last
Guys,
4.33 seconds.
pa! 4
Boxing
seconds!
out, boxing out.
4 seconds!
Second throw. No good. No one is on for 3, 2, 1. And final score 74-72.
Okay, let's go home.
Game 4 again.
Sino may camera?
Who's got you?